Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have the basics. Now start. First, confirm your iPhone supports Face ID and that iOS is up to date. Once done, open Settings and tap Face ID and passcode, then authenticate with your passcode so you can manage apps. Next, go to Settings, scroll to App Store and verify Face ID is enabled for purchases and downloads. This sets the foundation. Make sure each toggle is on, because if it isn't, the App Store won't use Face ID even when available. Now you perform the detailed steps to restore Face ID specifically for the App Store. In Face ID and passcode, enable iTunes and App Store. If that label differs, enable any App Store-related toggle. Once toggled, sign out of your Apple ID in Settings, right arrow Media and Purchases, then sign back in to refresh credentials. If changes do not stick, reboot the device and recheck the toggles. These steps reset the authentication path, ensuring the App Store recognizes Face ID. Finish by testing. Try a free download or a small purchase to trigger the Face ID prompt. You should see the Face ID sheet asking to authenticate. If you do not see it, reset Face ID in Settings and enroll your face again, then retry. This often solves miscalibration. If problems persist, update iOS or, as a last resort, reset all settings after a backup, because one misconfigured system setting can block Face ID for the App Store. That single troubleshooting tip usually clears stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.